Why are you alive?
Good question.
It wasn't a rhetorical question. When you were brought into the emergency room, you weren't expected to live. And yet you survived 2 difficult surgeries in less than a month. How?
I had good doctors.
You had no part in it. Your will, your strength, you didn't struggle to live.
Of course I did.
Exactly. Because you're too vital to die and you're too strong to give up.
I already have. You must not be listening. I can't fool anyone into making me walk again. I have to do it on my own, and I don't have the strength.
Maybe not the first time or the second time, but what about the 5th or the 10th? The principle's the same. Lose the battle, win the war. A girl born with nothing has millions. However you accomplished it, you achieved your goal. I don't want to jeopardize our friendship with expectations. But I believe that you can walk if you're willing to fight. So fight. Oh, my goodness. It's almost morning.
Could you maybe open the blinds? I love to see the sun come up.
My pleasure.
Cleansing. Don't